Here's a great deal on a 2007 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, five-passenger truck provides exceptional value. It features a standard transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 4-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a rear step bumper, and more. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.